Hygiene is key in every part of hospital life. It saves lives. But how can we manage this when the workload is heavy and staff are in short supply? When time is short and hygiene requirements are getting stricter all the time, we have to find ways to ease the burden on hospital staff and meet hygiene standards. Handling bedpans and urine bottles is a great example. In some facilities, they are still cleaned by hand. They look spotless after cleaning, but are they hygienically clean? Clean enough to pose no threat to other patients, to staff, to anyone else in proximity? Well, no. Let's take a look at the hand cleaning method and the considerable risks it entails. 1. The process is not standardized. The duration and intensity of the cleaning process depends on people, and people make mistakes. 2. The water temperature is relatively low as it has to be safe for human hands. But these temperatures do not kill microbes, only the dirt is removed. 3. The process is uneconomical. It is time-consuming for staff and consumes large quantities of chemicals and water. 4. Staff are exposed to microbes that may remain on skin and clothing, on walls and floors. Cross-contamination from the person cleaning to the next person using the bedpan is highly likely. WHO advice is for nurses to wear PPE for safety. The Meiko bedpan washer disinfector is medically approved and uses the latest technology. Here's how it meets hospital needs. 1. It provides an automated and documented process. Utensils are automatically emptied, cleaned, disinfected and dried. The process runs with pre-configured settings for time, temperature and water at the touch of a button. The entire cycle, including temperature curve and A0 value, is documented. 2. It works with high temperatures. First cleaning with water, then disinfecting using steam, always in accordance with international hygiene standards. Care utensils emerge microbe-free and disinfected, and the entire appliance is disinfected during the process as well. 3. Washer disinfectors are economical because they save nursing staff time and achieve the best cleaning results without wasting any water. Plus, they don't need any chemical disinfectants. 4. Users are protected from health risks. Pathogens are reliably eliminated. Even Clostridioides difficile spores are removed and the wash cycle is contained within the machine. There are no splashes, no steam, and no contamination. All in all, the Meiko bedpan washer disinfector reduces the risk of spreading pathogens to almost zero and improves safety for staff, patients, and anyone else in the proximity.